This is a 2011 Seville 36 foot. Dual sink, stone countertops, stovetop and oven, microwave, a movable dinette. It has wheels on the bottom, large double door refrigerator and freezer, flat screen TV, fireplace, two leather recliners, overhead storage, a leather sofa, table with two chairs, there's a ceiling fan in here, central vac system, the port right there. Here's the bathroom, stone countertops again, dinette, shower with skylight, toilet and storage, and here's the master bedroom, king size bed, flat screen TV, dresser and storage space,